The DUS Keyboard Prime 13 is a wired mechanical keyboard built around Cherry MX brown mechanical switches and a clean white LED backlight, giving it a straightforward design focused on the core typing experience. Rather than relying on flashy features, its main appeal is the combination of a mechanical switch setup with subtle illumination, making it a practical option for users who want a more deliberate keyboard feel without an overly complicated feature set. The Cherry MX brown switches are particularly relevant for people who want mechanical feedback while keeping the keyboard suitable for a range of everyday tasks. This type of switch is commonly associated with a tactile response, so the Prime 13 can be a sensible choice for users who spend significant time typing and also want a mechanical keyboard for general computer use. The important point is that this keyboard is centered on the switch experience, rather than trying to serve as an all-purpose feature-heavy peripheral. The white LED backlighting adds another useful element without changing the overall understated character of the keyboard. Clean white illumination can make the keys easier to see in lower light environments, while maintaining a more restrained appearance than multicolor lighting systems. For users who prefer a professional-looking setup, that simplicity may be more appealing than extensive RGB effects. Because the Prime 13 is wired, it is designed around a direct connection rather than wireless convenience. That makes the keyboard best suited to a fixed desk setup where portability and wireless connectivity are not priorities. The wired approach also keeps the product focused on being a dedicated desktop keyboard. One of the biggest considerations is whether Cherry MX brown switches and simple white backlighting match the user's preferences. Someone looking for elaborate lighting, wireless connectivity, or a broader collection of modern features may find the Prime 13 less compelling. But for a buyer specifically interested in a wired mechanical keyboard with tactile Cherry MX brown switches and understated backlighting, the feature set is focused and easy to understand. Overall, the DUS Keyboard Prime 13 stands out as a practical mechanical keyboard choice for users who value tactile switches, clean illumination, and a straightforward wired design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.